welcome back to another video. This is... I wanted to record because, if you don't believe me, it's my birthday when I'm filming. This probably won't post for a while, or it may post at midnight, but whatever. But, the game I'm playing right now is Creatures of Sonaria. I can't completely say the name. And this is one of my creatures. I actually got to buy this creature because, it's snowing out. And I have a nest. This is my nest. I can adopt at least one baby, at least. Because I was trying when there was like a hard storm where you had to be underwater or underground. And I saw somebody in the chat saying, help, help, help. Like, they couldn't get underwater or underground. So I was gonna try like pressing over here and pressing bite, because you could do that. I'm gonna do that when somebody needs help. But because I live right here beside this water lake, this is where I live. I'm on a computer. Most gamers usually are. All my health is down here and all that blah blah blah. Hopefully I don't die. I haven't had much danger pop up around. So I think I'm okay. I think I should go grab berries. I'm a herbivore in the game. Yeah. You are a herbivore. You graze on berries found scattered around the Sonaria. I can't say the name. Yeah, it's got creatures of that thing down there. So get my phone to help me actually figure it out. Okay, let me go grab some berries, because I'm a herbivore. This thing's pretty fast. And I made the skin. This is not technically the original skin of the thing. Wait, where are my berries? I have berries up here. I have to be in a house or else I freeze. Fridge. Oh, there's some berries. Here are the berries. Yeah, because up here I live on top of like a mountain, and berries somehow spawn up here. You're cold, you get in shelter to warm up. My shelter is simply this water pool. I'll show you underneath in a moment. I spawned up here, so. Hi, don't you dare hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Creating a pack myself. I don't probably have long for tonight. Nope. I started playing like 20 ago? Yeah, like 20 minutes ago. Oof. Oh, I think that person, oh, I'm dying. I should probably go get in the water. I'm gonna guess that person's a herbivore, because if it was a carnivore, they would have killed me. I don't even know what that creature was. Let me just get down in my home. So I'm not freezing. There, see? Up there it's going down. Because I am warm down here. Somehow. This is where I can protect myself from bad people. Or my family can grow. I'm just gonna press Y. Yeah, Y sleep in the game. I'm not dead, I'm just sleeping. I might be later tonight, even though it's my birthday. Hopefully, my parents don't walk in. I live with my parents because I'm not that old. I need food. I don't even know what creature that person is. Yeah, but you can get different creature. You can be an omnivore, carnivore, or a herbivore. You can be a water, land, or flight creature. I am a herbivore because that's easier to deal with than carnivore. Because I got 3 herbivore things when I was buying them. If I die, I'll show you guys. But I'm kind of alive right now. So cherry blossom, volcano. Oh, volcano season may be coming. I don't know. What I mean by that is a volcano will erupt and make the air really thin, and we could die if we're not underwater or underground. And that's what was happening to the other person. They couldn't find underground, or so they basically would have died. But I was willing to help if I could. I press sit, and that's a really awkward way to sit down. Cave. I swim pretty fast, so. Cave. I'm gonna hide my scent. I don't know what kind of creature that is. I don't know how I'm hiding my scent. Wait, no, it would have said hide your scent if it was a dangerous mob. Wait, so I think I could go back up, and I think I'm okay. Herbivore, probably. I think it was herbivore. I'm just freaking out. Because I don't know what could kill me or not. I think if it's an omnivore or herbivore, it will try to kill me. Oh, it's gone. Oh, don't glitch game. I think. Okay, let me just get up here. I think these are telling me like a volcano's gonna erupt soon. I don't know. Oh, I'm still trying to figure that out. Cherry blossoming right now. Okay, I can look out windows. This is technically like a shelter mixed in with a food place. If I could fly, this would be where I live. But I don't have any flying creatures. I only have herbivores that work on land and one carnivore, because I don't have herbivores. Wish I did. Don't. I've just got a random pop-it beside me because I'm kind of bored. I hope to become a real YouTuber and actually entertain people in the future. So if you could, just press that sub button. Press the sub button because I really want just to make people's days. Like most YouTubers do, because most YouTubers actually make my day, so if I could do that with some people sitting here just listening to me, watch me play a couple times, I mean, that'd be nice. Like here and there I can do like other things. Sorry. I was playing with Pop-It. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm just like if I fell right there, I'm gonna kill myself because I don't know how to get back up here. My nest is up here. Oh, I can invite 2 people to become my babies. But I only do it when they need help. Because if they don't need help, I don't want to raise something that didn't need help before. I get it. If this video is like really boring right now. But you're on the Little Devil Go Random channel. What else do you think? Little Devil Go Random. We got Roblox, Minecraft, Gacha Life, real life sometimes. It's the random game. It's the random place to be. Wait, hold on, what's this? I actually never came over here. Wait, hold on. I'm glitching through the wall. Hold on. Let's just switch. Can they get in from over here? Wait, hold on. I'm glitching through the wall. Why am I swimming? Where even am I going? Wait, what is this? What? I've never been over here, so I'm just like, I was confused. I didn't know where I was. Wait, I'm lost. I gotta get back to my nest just in case. Ooh, I'm going through the wall. I keep walking into walls. This is really fun, isn't it, guys? Wait, hold on, where's my nest? Oh, wait, I think I have to go. Fudge. I know my nest is up there, but like, I need to find my way back into my cave. Oh, be up here, my pretty. I'm in the wall. Okay, I'm back in my nest. Oh my god, why are these little caves in here? Whoa, wait, this is a really good spot. This is really nice. Like, if this was like, if they glitched this and made this like a tunnel area. Wait, what does Venus mean? Wait, what does that mean? Why did all my grass just turn red? I keep putting my head through a wall. Wait, hold on, how do I get back? Oh, shoot. I want to go just check what's going on outside. I want to see the sea. Okay, let's go swimming up. I'm a little. I'll go back down there in a moment. Because I just got a furnace thing, meaning it's probably cold up here, but I want to come up here. You can't stop me from coming up here. Because actually, I get this here too, so I'm okay. Yeah, when you've got this thing on, it tells you because you're actually in a warming spot. The world. Nobody knows. I think this is like a really pretty spot. Like, I don't think anybody will gonna find me. Ooh, wait, I didn't even notice this. Oh, cool. Wait, what? I should probably take off this chat so I don't get traumatized. I don't know. I don't know. Will that traumatize me? I don't know. Oh, this is awesome. Don't fall off. I've got a pretty good turning character. Oh, I should probably go eat something. My hunger's like getting really low. 16. It's supposed to be like 45. Let me go cut some berries. Berry. Just get a couple berries. I get it. I'm freezing. It's very slow. Trust me, it's just very slow. Eating all kinds of berries. I'm just eating berries right now because it's like really nice. Okay, there we go. My hunger is all set. Just like I would take berries with me, but like it won't work. Down the water we go. Here we go. Down we go. I should have taken a sip of water when I was up here. Oh, fertile sticks. No, I'm safe up here. So I think I'm okay. Okay, let's take a sip of water. I can only sip the water up here. And thirst is back up. Okay, 37 and 38. Okay, that's what our maxes are. I didn't know what my max was. So this thing should be going down. Yeah, it's going down. Okay, it took me a second to realize that. It's little devil girl random. Back to play again. This is not my main colors. I don't know. I could pick green, blue, black, white. Those are the only colors I can pick for the skin. So I picked a green. I really, for some reason, really like making my eye a one color when I can make it multiple colors. This is probably really boring. I'm sitting. This sitting position is so weird. Hold on, let me just. There, now I feel a little bit normal. I do curl up a bit when I'm sleeping. Wait, do I live in a volcano? Is that what it's telling me? Oh, because I've got 2 eggs to invite people. And I've got 60% of an egg to invite people. Oh, never mind, 80%. I don't know what happens when I leave the game. But I know this character gets saved. Ow, just hit my desk. Should I just invite a random player so we actually get some more content? This video is probably only gonna get like 12 views. I'm so weak. I'm so stupid at making videos, so let me just... I'm gonna make it fun, and we're gonna first go get some berries. Okay, let's grab some berries. You can for me, I'm pressing T just to grab some berries. And I'm freezing because of that reason. Berries, you better not deny. You better stay, berries. Don't go, don't die. T. Okay, let's just... Okay, let's go to the bottom and just... I don't know, I just pressed the button. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm an adult, I'm an alpha, tier 1. I probably won't get anybody. No, I'm just gonna fight like 4 people, see what we get. They want the berries. Whatever. I probably won't get any of them. Because when I notice it, it always pops up in here for them. The 30 in a clan, I don't know. I'm not the best at the game, I'm just a brand new player. I don't know. I'm just pressing invite to random people. Oh my god, I have so much money. This is your money down here, and you get more for doing things in the game. Wait, what did I just do? Like, I hit my nest. Wait, what? Wait, what? Did I just kill somebody? One of my babies? What? That made absolute no sense. I'm just gonna drink a little bit of water and try thinking what just happened. Oh, never mind, I'm full. Just go for a swim, I guess. And go lay down in my bedroom. I'm walking into walls. I'm swimming into walls. My mistake. I'm not walking. I'm swimming. Lay down. And wait to see if I get any children. I probably won't. I want to raise some children, but I probably won't get any because I'm not good at the game. Let's just check my pack. Because the pack summary, juveniles, I don't know what any of this means, so I wanted to get somebody else to join my pack, but because like I don't know how any of this works. Maybe this like diet before. I don't know. I don't really know. I'm such a newbie. Brand new game, don't know how to play. This is probably gonna be a little bit long, but not too long, like most of my just random videos. It's my birthday as I'm recording. I'm going crazy. My friends say I go crazy. I believe them. Because I'm going crazy right now too. I'm going crazy. Yay! Okay, I want to get somebody else. Nobody. I'm a YouTuber and I have. I should be getting more things to do than just laying around in the game. More YouTubers get more content. I say that because I watch like 15 YouTubers a day. I didn't watch many YouTubers today because of my birthday party. I have a birthday party on my birthday. Yeet. It's like pretty much midnight. I might just randomly invite people. I'm just randomly inviting people again. I probably won't get a single one of them because I'm so stupid. What if we just... Can you even talk on the thing? Oh, I think Zozo Bad has... Zozo... I don't know why I said bad. Has somebody... Oh, I don't want to get somebody who doesn't know how to speak my language. They may be smart. I don't think this person speaks my language. I'm English and I don't know how to understand Spanish. So I should probably be careful who I'm inviting. Wait, where's the house say 19 now? Whatever. Like, I don't want to break them up from like their group or anything, but I kind of want a child. I do not know how to abbreviate things. I'm just looking at the chat thing, just looking around. I don't know what to do anymore. If I got my brother and I raised my brother, oh, that made me super funny. Wait, hold on, I got something. We'll raise my account. Content. I can log out and log into one of my other accounts because I've got like 13 accounts and just play and log in and have to. I'm just so stupid. So if I stop moving, and then the other one's moving, that's me controlling it. And this is content because I don't know what else to do for content. I'm very bad with content. See? There's my other account. Okay, let's see if my other account can join us. Here we are. That's the one I'm playing. That's my other account. I'm just gonna press play on my phone because I'm lazy right now. I'm lazy. Don't ask why I'm lazy. Oh, that's funny. I only got 2. Oh, okay, so we're gonna go for this one. Whatever. Oh, I should probably go eat. Yeah, I will. Oh, wait. Oh, join. Okay, there, see, there went one of my eggs. There is my other account. Let's see if I can move both accounts. Don't fall over to the wall. This is crazy. You may think I just have another child. This is cool. I have to pay attention to both accounts. This is really funny. Let's do it. I don't care. Just like Larry, I'm going right now because that seems fun. We actually now get content. I don't know what this is. Oh my god, I am lagging for some reason. Don't press E again. Oh my god, is that what we are? Oh, Fredo, I can't see anything right now. I'm not a small baby. Yes. Oh, okay, now I see what. I'm glitching through a wall. Oh shoot. I'm a bird! Oh my god, I've never been a bird! Oh, cool! Wait, come on. You're an omnivore. You can eat bushes and alright, cool. I'm walking into walls. Help me. Wait, where are we? Oh. We are small beings. This is cute. Oh, this is gonna be content. Their username there's player. I saw a berry bush through the wall. Yeah, I'm running into, oh, see, there's a berry bush. I'm walking into walls. Are you attacking me? Oh, this is cool. got food over here. That's so cool. Wait, can I eat it? Can I eat some? Yum. Oh, never mind. I'm full. Yeah, I'm like literally at half out. I think she clicked or tapped, and she bit me. Whee! Because I think I'm dying. I think I'm dying. Wait, I'm already 20, 21. Oh my god. Wait, how fast do these things age? I would join any clan because, like, I don't care. I can't eat. I'm eating it. I think I finished it. Okay, whatever. I'm not. This is gonna be a really bad. Wait, can I fly? Oh, that's cool. I actually never knew. I do. I get the. Stay here. Oh, okay. I will stay. No, no, no. Backup character. I'm gonna murder it. I'll stay at the nest. Because I feel like it. I am going to... Hold on, how do we sit? Oh, that's cute. Oh, I did cute. Okay, wait. Lay down. There we go. This is so cute. I want this skin. But this may take me, like, a really long time to get. I've never been in this area. So she knows I'm here, so. Wait, what's wrong? Oh, shoot, my hunger. Wait, is my hunger getting low? Okay. Oh, so I don't know how my hunger's supposed to. Oh, I can't grow here? Oh, shoot. I'm walking into walls, like, literally. Wait, hold on. Whee! Whoa! I'm sideways. I'm flying. Whee! Yep. She says be careful, but, like, I'm okay. I'm trying. My thing's saying you can't grow here. I'm flying around. This is really cool. Whoa! There we go. I went. I'm fine. Mommy! Where'd my mother go? Oh, I think my mother's over there. I'm gonna try flying back into the cave. I can't fly. Oh, fridge. Oh, that did the same thing like one of my other games did. Let me in the cave. Let me in the cave. Shoot, my hunger's low. Wait, oh no, wait. We got a food. Wait, did she bring food back? Oh, wait, hold on. I'm just gonna boop. I will get food in the morning. I'm just sleeping. Oh shoot, I don't even know what that is. I think that's an encore. I think I have that one. Shit, don't do your hair. I've gotta eat. I'm going to kill myself. Yeah, run over here. I'm an omnivore, so I can eat this. Nom. Yum. Food? Wait, food. I need food. I'm going to die. She knows I'm out here, so. I'm going to die. Wait, where's food? Wait, I want food. I need food. Press space to fly. Oh, I should be careful because I don't want to kill myself on accident. Oh, shoot. Okay, wait, come up here. Food. Okay, hold to eat. I am going to die. Eat. I don't want to say. I don't want to die. Okay, wait. I'm right here, Mom. I'm right here. I'm flying over here. She was just worried. I'm flying at the walls. Whee! I'm okay. No, it's just as long as she knows where. I think it's just if she knows where I am, she's okay. I climb up, climb up, climb up, climb up. Ooh! Oh, I can't go here, I can't go here. Oh shit. Oh, okay, I'll be right back, mommy. I'm okay. Okay, grow. Character grow. I was set to male because I don't own this character. I'm walking into walls. Mine. 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 Okay, cool. I'm so cute. We're so cute. Small beans. I look at this person. There's two call to invite to your pack. Packs. Pack. You were kicked from the pack. How was I? I left my own pack. I want the skin really bad. I really do. And I think this is in the. I don't know. She's happy. She knows this one's me. Probably because my username's Flame, which I do prefer. She knows nothing. We're all good, we're all good. This is actually kind of fun. I actually am playing with another person. This normally never happens. No, I may want to get water. Water, because like I'm at 6 with water. I just walked on top of her. Where is the nearest water? That way? Oh wait, I think I saw... You've seen nothing, mommy. I want to walk around. Whee! Boing! Whee! I've never flown before. Water. This is what I needed before I die. Okay, just like come over here and press E and drink some of this. I don't think those guys can hurt us. I'm right over here, Mama. I was just drinking some of the water. I have this character. Oh wait, I'm in the water. There's stuff in the water. I'm swimming out. Fly. Where am I going? I'm going to the nest. Ow! Why did I... Oh, I think I just crashed. I think crashing actually hurts me because I think there's one puddles. Maybe later. Nah, I don't care. We're okay. I really like this nest. This nest is really cute. Like, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I think I can actually survive on my own here. Oh, wait. I think I can. Just don't tell anyone but my mother. I'm going to create my own nest over here. Sit nest. I already have a nest? Oh, right. My past nest. Whatever. Okay, so this is really fun. I've never actually kind of played with somebody else. I wonder. I'm just napping in the bush. And I can gather food for us. That's really fun. My mother. My mother. My mother. My mother. She probably didn't even expect me to join. Food down there actually looks still fine. My food's okay. I look so good and cute. Ah! Wait, so this is an omnivore? Okay, so I have to look at the omnivore section to buy it. I'm basically just playing around getting more money. Maybe next episode I can go through and see what I can buy. Sound fun? Guys? And then we can maybe play a little bit so I can actually get more money. This just may be a long video of me playing this game. Just like 10 views? And I'll do a part 2 to this? Does that seem bad? I don't think so, right? And it's my birthday, so if I get like 10 views on something, I will be freaking out. Even though one of my gust things had like 1.3 thousand people seen it. No, I want... That's a gust thing. I want like one of my Roblox or one of my Minecraft to actually reach like 10 views. I wonder, is this game even popular? Are people gonna actually be looking up this? I wonder. I'm gonna have to edit it. I wonder, can I? Oh, there's my mother. I'm just being weird. Everybody, am I being weird? Tell me. Wait, where'd the food go? Where did the food go? Ah, I'm crashed into a wall again. Why do I do that so much? The food's gone. The food gone. I'm gonna go searching for food. Oh yeah, because I think it does tell us where we are. I think that's what it tells us. I'm okay. My mother trusts me out here now. Whee! What even is that? What is that? Wait a moment. Is that food? Is that what that is? I can't tell. Tea. Oh, I can't pick it up. Don't you get hurt. Okay. Food? I want to steal some food because it's like my character's free. Whee! I'm just tiny. I'm tiny kid. Food. Did Mama bring food? I wonder. I didn't mean to start flying. Whatever. I think I need food. I think I'm gonna die if I don't have food. Okay, wait, there's somebody here. Who is this? They're invisible on my screen. Is that my... I wonder if... whatever. Is that player? I wonder. I basically... It looks like I dug my face into the sand. Oh, no, hunger. I think my mother will go out and go get us food. What is this? Storage. Wait. Is that my nest? My old nest? Wait, can I go get that? I wonder. Wait, hold on. It says I can fly now. Do you think I can go get it? My old nest. There's somebody here. There is somebody here. Because this only pops up when there's somebody here. They have disappeared off my screen. Woohoo! I should go get food. When this thing hits 5, I only go get food. That seems like a rule to me. And it's at 13, so I'm okay. I'm gonna go see if I can steal food from them. I think this is my mother right here, but like I can't tell. Cause she's invisible. I'm walking into walls again. Just like so much stuff out here. Right there! Right there! Hey, wait, what the? Tea? T. And then E. Yep. Wait, why am I bleeding? Is it because it's rotten food? That's probably why it was rotten food. I'm just dying from food poisoning. No, I want to eat. Thank you. I'm eating. Okay, we're full of that. Okay, go over here and we gotta get drink. Drink. That's really cute. That's really cute. Am I even drinking? Oh, I am. I don't wanna. This is really cool. Yoink. Oh, when I crashed, do I leave? No, I don't. Okay. What is that? Oh, it's alive. What am I doing? Yeah, that's a person. Okay, let's go back to the nest. Nest. I really like this area. Do I bleed actually? No, I do not. I wonder, did she leave the game? I wonder. I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't know. Watch join. They joined me. Okay, wait, hold on. Wait, can we fly faster? Wait, can I get over there? Wait a moment. Can I go over there even as the scary character? Oh, I think I can. That's my old mountain! That is my old mountain! This is my mountain! So I was actually getting pretty close. This is my mountain. Nope, that's not my mountain. This one over here. Where is my mountain? This must be where my nest is. Yeah, I think. Wait, this one looks like my mountain. Wait, where's my mountain? This is my mountain. My mountain! Oh my god! Wait a moment. This is technically not my skin too. Well, gotta fly, and we gotta land over here. Take food. Wait, can I store food here? Because I am a different character. Wait, can I store food there? Can I store food there instead of my nest? Okay, if we come over here. Wow, that's crazy. We come over here, we press T. He takes some of the food, now we run back. Run back. So it doesn't die, Don't die. They should change the thing. No, don't die. get food. I have food with tea. I should eat it. Oh my god, this is so cute. I don't want to lose this skin. This is really cute. I'm adorable. This is so cute. Okay, wait, what if we go down my cave? What if we can? Wait, can I? Set nest. We have a nest. No, I don't. No, we don't. Wait. You better not tell me that my mother's pet nest is my nest. Wait, where's my nest? Is my storage my nest? Probably. Hold on. I'm gonna have to. Okay, so I will be right back, everybody. I will put a time on the TV where you can skip to, or if you just want to see me standing there, go right ahead. I can't believe how full I am in water. I'll put a time on the screen, and you can skip to that because I'm going to go to the bathroom. But I want to keep myself safe and don't die. So I'm going to come swim myself down here. It's probably better if you like skip to the time I'm going to put on the screen. No. We'll get a new skin. Okay? I will see you back when I'm getting my new skin.